Good morning everyone. I'm currently in a McDonald's in Telford early on a Sunday morning, and you're probably wondering why. Well, it's because I got a good offer on a car I've sort of looked at for quite some time, an ML55 AMG. It's actually in Nottingham, so we're going to go up there, have a look at it, and possibly drive it back home. So keep on the channel, because we're doing regular updates. It's going to be a project car for the channel, and hopefully we'll get to see a good car, and I'll give you a walk around once we've maybe done the deal. So you can probably tell by what's behind me that we went ahead with the deal. Let's have a little walk around. I got it for a very good price, which I'll tell you soon, but let's have a look first. The bodywork, it needs quite a lot done. As you can see, there are some rust areas, not just in that place. There's some at the front, there's some at the back. The bumper needs a fix. It's got issues. We're not gonna, play around. It has got issues. However, mechanically, it's done a 200-mile drive back home, and it was smooth. The engine was good, the gearbox was great. The interior is not too bad, it just needs a very good clean. Surprisingly, the sat nav is working, picks up satellites, no problem at all. Sunroof works, heated seats work, electric seats work. It's not bad at all. Even the folding mirrors work. And part of the best bit is that it's got LPG. Not been tested yet, but we'll give it a go, we'll see. So overall, I'm quite chuffed with this purchase. I was hoping to get some bigger wheels with it. Unfortunately, it's only got the original 18-inch AMG, but to be fair, it was quite a comfy drive home. All the potholes in the world didn't bother me, so it's not too bad. There's a few things that I'm probably going to remove. For instance, they've tinted the headlights and decided to use foil on one of the lights there, the fogs. God knows what that's all about. So they're going to be changed. I think I'm going to remove the tints because it just, I don't know, looks a bit tacky for my liking. And as you can see, the rust again. But overall, it's a decent solid car. And even on the drive up here, it was comfortable. The chairs are comfy. Yeah, overall good. Good tread on the tyres. The brakes are new. It's definitely had a new water pump. It's had a new power steering pump and a few other things. So it's a good start. So how much did I get it for? 5 grand? 4 grand? 3 grand? Nope, I paid 1,750 for this. 1,750. I think that's a bargain. And more importantly, there's plenty of room now, money-wise, to do it up and make it good. So keep in touch with the channel. See how we get on with this. We've got ideas of putting sidebars on, side runners. We're maybe going to put a wheel carrier on the back. Maybe even put a bull bar on the front. Who knows? But I think by the time we finish with this, maybe it'll take a few years, but by the time we have finished with it, I think we could have quite a good and exciting time on the channel. So keep in touch, guys. Cheers.